Hello guys, welcome to Advin's World. Today we are unboxing EDYELL TW2S Gaming Bluetooth Wireless Earphones.
Yes, ये हम Amazon से purchase किया है. It is newly launched by EDYELL. And yeah, so what we will do, we will unbox it. We will see the performance. We will see how it is connectivity. So everything, and mind it is a totally honest review. So it's not at all a paid review. You can see or you can watch this video till end to understand whether you consider this TWS or not. Okay, so let's unbox it.
Yeah.
So before unboxing it, let's see. You can see over here it is written as model TW2S. It has 1 year warranty, and if you see, its price is around 2499. So if you buy from the link given in the description, it will be costing around 2500 only, and it is IP54, so that you can use it during your walking, during your workout, or anytime. So let's open it and see what are inside of it. चलिए इसको हम ओपन करते हैं. Here we go. Wow.
Yeah. See this? It's the instructions manual.
Yeah, this is the instruction manual.
Yeah.
It is the 1 year warranty, and you see with the warranty card there is register your warranty on WhatsApp. So you have to register your device in this WhatsApp number. And anything else? No, nothing else.
The main part, the gaming looking type here.
It's really looking good. First time in my career or in my life I am seeing this kind of gaming earpads. If see, it is taking 5V 1 ampere input, model TW2S. I don't know whether it is made. I think it is made in India. So this is the charging port. I think this is a USB-C type charging port. And you see, this is EDYELL. Its logo is over here. It's really looking very nice. Let's open it.
Yes. So let's see what's here first. So I think it's the charger. Yeah.
It has the charging cable.
Yeah.
And I think the
buds.
spare parts.
Size.
Yeah. So let's open it.
Yeah. Wow.
So it's really sporting look.
Yeah.
Our architecture is very good, and architecture is really amazing, and it is catching our eyes.
What for money?
Yes. So let's take it out from the charger.
The design is very cool, full gaming type.
Yes, it's really nice looking. And so as per this box written over here, it can play up to 6 hours. So it has 3500 mAh of battery inside of it. So it is itself you can say power bank type of things. So let's connect it with our either mobile or laptop, and we'll see or we'll check the quality of the sound. So before doing that, Arvind will fit it in his ear to see how it is fitting in the ear.
Yeah.
So you can see it is very easily. Just took very fraction of second to find it out. So
less than a second.
Yeah, so you can see this is TWS. Let's connect it.
Yes.
So we are making it pair. So you can see it is already connected. So let's what we'll do. So what we'll do, we'll play a song and we'll try to understand the sound quality of the earbuds.
Yes.
So we'll open our channel.
Yeah. So let's play it. So the volume is full.
Yeah. So let's keep it over here.
Yeah.
And let's hear the sound. It is pause. Play it again.
it's not falling down,
Yeah.
and it's very comfortable too.
Yes, it is very comfortable, and it is
doesn't
ergonomically
become-
designed. If you see, it's really looking nice also. If you see, the fitting is really nice, and the main thing is, you see these flanges will help to stick in your ear, so that it
Yes.
should not be fallen down
And it
during
does a
your
little
workout.
bit noise cancellation also.
Okay.
So bye bye, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and press the bell icon to receive our videos, and you are the first one to watch. And if you want to buy these earphones, go to the link in the description below. Bye.